Hi, this is Brian Jones. I'm the host of the Everyday Science Show, and it's a treat to be back in the PSD TV studio. And we're going to do a show today about electricity, and we're concerned with one principle. What is electricity? Well, electricity is basically this. There's charges, and we'll talk about what charges are, and you have to set them in motion. You want to make them go from one place to another. How do you make that happen? Well, we're going to do a bunch of experiments to explore this, and I've got some folks to help me out with this. I've got a couple of junior broadcasters from Tavelli Elementary. I've got
Claire
and
Madeline.
All right. And you folks are junior broadcasters, but today you're going to be junior scientists. You ready to get to work?
Yes.
Let's do some experiments. And so here's what we're going to do. First off, your body is made up of what we call charged particles. There are electrons and other kinds of things, and they have this property called charge, okay? And when charges move, that's what we call electricity. That's a current. Now, to make charges move, Claire, you're going to be positive, okay?
Yes.
So you're over here, and your hand is going to go on top of this ball, and you're now at a positive potential. You're uphill. You are going to be connected to the ground by holding onto the grounding spoon. And hold on to it with this hand right there. Go ahead and grab a hold of that with this hand right there. So now you're connected to the earth. You're at a low potential. So we have a high potential, a low potential. You're connected to the ground. You're connected to this plasma ball, and your hand is probably warming up a little bit. So charges want to go from high potential to low potential. They want to go from Claire to Madeline. And what we're going to do is we're going to let them go from a high potential to a low potential through a light bulb. Grab a hold of the light bulb, and you grab a hold of the other side. Oh, and grab a hold of it. Get a good, there you go. And now the charges are flowing from a high potential to a low potential, and the electricity is actually flowing through your body. It goes in your hand, through you, into the light bulb, through the light bulb, into Madeline, and then into the spoon and into the earth.
Are we a human circuit?
I couldn't have said it better myself. You're a human circuit. This is spectacular. This is spectacular. And it's going from high potential to low potential. This is how electricity works. And then all those charges kind of go through the earth, and there's some electronics in there that lifts them up and then sends them back around for one more time. That's your circuit right here. It's the plasma ball to Claire, to the light bulb, to Madeline, to the spoon, to the ground, over to the plasma ball, and back up and out the top.
Is there a certain thing in our body that allows the electricity to run through?
There is, actually. You're made up of basically water. Most of you is made of water, and the water inside you is salty. So you're a big bag of salty water, really, from an electrical standpoint. And salt water is a really good conductor. What do you say we do another?